You driving me crazy, you making me mad. I don't do fugazi, I'm wanting you bad. My African daisy, you said that.
What's up, my beauties? Today's video is a Slay Valentine's makeup, hair and outfit tutorial, and I hope you enjoy it. I'm using my Pond's primer to prime my face. This is actually a cream, but it's so good for oily skin. It makes your makeup oil free. Even when I sweat all day, my makeup is still intact because of this primer, and I'm just rubbing that on my skin and patting it into that so that it primes my face. Then I am taking my illuminator and I am putting that on my cheekbone just to give me that natural glow, so it looks like I'm glowing from inside my body or inside my skin. I don't know how you say that. Anyways, I'm just also rubbing that in, and I'm putting another layer. Then I am color correcting. I don't do this at all. I don't even know what made me do this in this video. I just decided to color correct. I don't know why I did, but anyways, it's actually a good thing. It's a good step to do, but I never do this. Then I'm using my Milani foundation. Please forgive my foundation bottle, it is so dirty, but please forgive it. I'm using my Milani foundation, and I'll use that as my foundation, and I am blending that into my skin. I'm trying to make this video short, that's why everything is in hyper speed. So I'm just going to keep blending that in until I blend the whole foundation.
My African daisy, my African day. You driving me crazy, you making me mad. I don't do fugazi, I'm wanting you bad. My African daisy, you said that I'm proud. Them boys they say plenty, them boys they got mouth, but not me, not me. Got a things we go do, go drive you sing, go make you be crying out.
Then I am highlighting my skin with my concealer in Toffee. I am LA Pro concealer in Toffee, and I'm just using that to highlight basically everywhere. I highlight my cheekbones, my nose, my cupid's bow, and underneath my where I contour. Then I am using a foundation for my contour. I'm taking it from the foundation bottle, that's why I'm using the tip of my brush, and I'm just putting that everywhere I contour. This foundation is actually dark, guys, but because of the camera it doesn't look that dark on camera, but it's actually dark in real life. Then I am just going to blend that in with the concealer I used to highlight underneath my contour place, and I'm just going to blend that in just so to avoid harsh lines.
You said that I'm proud. Them boys they say plenty, them boys they got mouth, but not me.
And I make the funniest expressions. I make the funniest face expressions when I am doing my makeup, guys. Please forgive me. I don't know how to do my makeup without making a face. I just don't know how to do it. I always have to make one kind of face. Then I am blending in my concealer with a brush. I actually like using this brush to blend in my highlights. It actually depends on my mood. I can use a brush one day, and then I can also decide to use a beauty blender one day. I actually don't have a preference. I just use whatever I feel like, whatever my mood goes with on that day. I just use it. So I'm using that to blend. The key is blending, guys. Make sure you always blend till your hand wants to drop. Blend. And the way I blend, it usually looks like as if I'm beating myself. It actually doesn't hurt, guys. It's just the way I do it. It looks like as if I'm jamming the thing with I'm jamming the brush on my face, but it's actually harmless, guys. And then I am blending my contour out with a beauty blender, a damp beauty blender. I'm blending that out. And you can see the color of the contour. It's dark, like I said earlier. It just looks kind of light on camera. And I'm still blending my highlighted place for areas. Then I'm blending everything together with my beauty blender, my booty blender. YouTuber says that. I don't know the YouTuber. I've forgotten the YouTuber's name, but YouTuber says that booty blender. I'm using my Sacha Buttercup to set everywhere I highlighted. I'm actually not baking. I'm how do I say it? I'm just setting that in my skin. I'm not baking. I can't remember the last time I baked. I don't know why I stopped baking. I just stopped baking. I'm just pressing that into my skin. Yeah, okay, I do bake underneath my contour. I do bake that part. My jawline, I do bake that part. Then I'm using my Banoon's powder palettes. I'm using the dark shades there to contour, to set my contour. Always set your cream, guys. It's important. Always set your creams. Whatever cream you used, foundation, concealer, always set it. It's important so it doesn't crease up. Don't forget to set it. And I'm still setting everywhere I contoured.
Them boys they say plenty. Them boys they got mouth, but not
the nose area now.
Not me. Got the things we go do, go drive you insane, go make you be praying out, have you be saying, love me, love me. What is pleasure and pain? What is living in vain? What's a life full of chains? I'll break you.
Now I'm using my Maybelline powder to blend everything out. I'm using that to set everything. You can see I'm going in circular motions, and I'm using my concealer in Cool Tan to prime my eyelids. And I'm blending that out. Then I'm using Blazing from the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. I'm using that. I'm packing that in my crease area. I'm still packing. I'm not yet blending, I'm just really packing it in my crease area. Okay, now I'm blending. Then I'm using Eden. I'm using that to blend out the harsh lines, the glazing cost, because I don't want any harsh lines on my face. And I'm using a very fluffy blending brush, guys. A very fluffy blending brush. Then I'm going back into blazing because you're going to lose your color, guys. So you need to go back in the first color you use so that you don't lose it while blending. Then I am using amber. I'm packing that right on my crease because I want to give like my crease a gradient effect, so I'm going from lighter to darker. So I'm packing amber on my crease. Then I'm blending that out with blazing again. Also going in with Eden to blend out everything so there will be no harsh lines. Then I'm going in with Oud. I think that's how you pronounce it. I'm going in with Oud. Like I said, I want a gradient effect, so I want it to go from lighter to darker. So I want my crease to be not that dark but a little bit dark. But Oud, I don't know what is up with Oud. It's like a weird brown. I don't even understand what's going on with Oud. Then I'm not really cutting my crease. I'm putting concealer on my lid because I want my eyeshadow to like pop, if you know what I mean. I hope I'm explaining this very well. But yeah, I'm not really doing a cut crease. I'm just really putting concealer on my crease so that my eyeshadow pops really good. Then I'm going to amethyst. I think that's how you pronounce it. Amethyst. I'm putting that. Look at me dancing, girl. I'm putting that at the outer V of my eyelid, and I'm blending that in. Yeah, I think you pronounce it amethyst. I don't know. I'm blending that in. So I lost the clip where I started putting in twilight on my lid. I don't know where the clip went to, but I'm putting twilight on my lid, or I put twilight on my lid. And I'm just really packing the twilight in on my lid so it's, you know, pronounced, or it's bright. I don't know the English to use, so it sure looks good. Anyways, I'm going back with amethyst. Hey Christ, with this amethyst thing, I'm going back with amethyst, and I'm blending that into with the twilights, so there will be no demarcation or ash line, so it will look blended out. And I think I put a little bit of black, I mixed it with the amethyst, I think. And then I realized I have to use my finger to put the twilight on my lid, because you know your finger is the best, you know, blending whatever. Anyways, I am drawing my wing liner here. I hate drawing my wing liner on camera, but I have no choice. I actually don't know how to do it. I just use, you know, I'm using gumption to do it. Anyways, then I finished my whole eye off camera, the second eye. Then I'm going back in with amethyst, and I'm putting that underneath my lower lid. Oh, I'm putting that on my lower lid. English is not my first language, guys, so bear with me. And then I'm spraying my face with my NYX setting spray just to hold the whole makeup. Now I didn't realize my camera has moved from autofocus, guys. I am so sorry, but I'm putting my highlighter on my cheekbone with my fan brush. I'm so sorry, guys. I didn't realize it wasn't in autofocus anymore. Damn camera, right? Anyways, I'm highlighting my cupid's bow, my nose, my brow bone, the basics, guys, the basics. Oh yeah, I forgot, I put a white liner on my lower line or lower lash just to, you know, bring out the color of my eyes more. I'm using my brown pencil. This is actually a drugstore pencil. I don't know where it's from or who made it, not where it's from. But I'm using my brown pencil to line my lips, and then I'm using, I can't remember the name of this lippy. I'm using that in the middle of my lips just to like as my lipstick. Then I'm putting in my glitter lippy. I love this lippy. I don't know why I don't use it. It's so much shinier in person. It looks dull on camera, but it's so much shinier in person. It was so beautiful in person. I loved it. I've forgotten the name as well. I'll check it for you guys. I'll put it in the description box. But it was so beautiful. Then I'm using my NYX spray again just to set everything. Then to the star of the show. This hair, guys, this hair is from Klaiyi, and this hair is, oh my god. I got a 20-inch blonde, and I got an 18-inch two-colored weave, and then a closure. This hair, oh my god, is magnificent. And that's the end of the video, guys. I hope you loved the video. I just can't stop feeling my hair. This hair is so beautiful, god. Anyways, that's the end of the video, guys. Even though the video is blur, I'm still looking, girl. I'm still looking. I'm looking eatable. I'm looking thick. Let me see Anyways, that's the end of the video, guys. I hope you loved it. This video is for all you babes that want to slay for your boo on Valentine's Day. I hope you love it, and yeah, I hope you recreate it for your Valentine's Day dates. And thank you guys for watching. I hope you subscribe, comment, like the video, share it, and you know the drill, guys. You know the drill. Anyways, thank you guys for watching my video, guys. I love you. Till next time, don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you know when it's like posts, share it, like the video. Look at my little script. What else? Comment, follow me on my social media networks, and yeah, guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Love you.
Love me. What is pleasure and pain? What is living in vain? What's a life full of chains? I'll break you away, okay.